Hello, my name is Mayra Gonzalez, and below I am going to answer 5 questions from Task Age of English 4. Question number 1. What do you know about this millionaire? Okay. Elon Musk is a South African American entrepreneur known for being one of the most influential figures in the technology and business industry of the 21st century. He is very intelligent and above and he knows how to take advantages of time and space. Moose is known for his bold and visionary approach to technological innovation. His business style approach have made him one of the most controversial and admired figures in the world of business and technology. His ability to lead and carry out visionary ideas has made him a unique figure in contemporary story. Question number 2. What do you think of these business and companies? Which has a long list of successful companies. Its business have inspired a new wave of innovation and driving conversations about the future of technology and sustainability. Number 3. What is the influence this character has on the world and society? Almost influence on the world and society is quite revolutionary. Through companies like Tesla, he has accelerated the adoption of electric vehicles, promoting sustainability in the automotive industry. Like SpaceX, it has redefined space exploration, promoting the rise of rockets and projecting a vision of interplanetary travel, thus leaving an indelible mark on the technological and business landscape in addition to inspiring new generation of entrepreneurs and visionaries. Number 4. What do you think of the use he makes of his money? Elon Musk's use of money has him a lot of talk. His money management reflects his entrepreneurial mentality and his bold vision to invest in projects that, in his opinion, have the potential to change the world. While it has achieved notable success, it has also faced criticism and challenges in its approach to finance and the market. Finally, number 5. What would you do if you were a millionaire? If I were a millionaire, I would seek to use that position to generate a positive impact on society and world, investing in innovation, sustainability, and social cause that promote general well-being and long-term progress. Thank you for attention.